I am so tired of looking for inspiration online and don't exactly have the biggest budget. Finding something that I love, like, oh, I love this look, I love that look, I love this look, this is what I want, and this is what I want. And I go to find out the prices. I'm like, whoa, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and that's just for one item. Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be continuing my home decor series, and the topic of the day is, where do I find affordable minimalistic home decor? Okay, the first place I'm going to mention is Amazon. You guys know I love Amazon, so of course it was gonna make the list. If you guys don't already know, my whole balcony renovation, pretty much, well, not all of it, but the most important pieces did come from Amazon. This backdrop right here, Amazon. My floors, Amazon. If you have not seen my balcony renovation video, you should definitely go check that out, and you'll see why Amazon is one of those popular places that I go home decor shopping. And it's not just only in my balcony, it's throughout my whole house. Amazon has been a big blessing and savings to shop online. Shopping for minimalistic items, obviously Amazon is convenient because you just go at home, you go online, and at the convenience of your home you can search the web and look for things you want. To the fast shipping, you cannot beat that. 1 to 2 days with Amazon Prime is very sweet to have. Number 2 would have to be Home Goods. I love Home Goods. If there's a place when it comes to home decor at an affordable price, wait, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, Home Goods is not that affordable. But when you compare it to some of the items that I would love to have in some of my inspirations that cost thousands of dollars, I can maybe sometime find a similar item or the exact same item at Home Goods at a fraction of the price. That's a big deal. And who doesn't want a deal? Now, saving money doesn't necessarily mean you're going for dirt cheap. You still want to make sure you have quality, and Home Goods, definitely you'll find a lot of pieces of furniture, artwork, decor that is affordable compared to the original markup price, and also the quality will be there as well most of the time. So I love Home Goods. It's a great place to save money on things you would have normally paid thousands of dollars for. You might still pay a couple of $100s for, which can still be steep, but you want quality as well, because when you have these minimalistic pieces, or you want to keep your house minimal, you want to make sure that things you do have actually last. Otherwise you defeat the whole point of saving money if you have to go every couple of months to buy that item over again because it's not durable, if you know what I mean. Hold up, guys, I cannot let this video continue without making sure to mention that moving on up to the side, we finally got a piece of the pie. Moving on up, hey, 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 we made it to 600 subscribers.
And I know the people in the back are saying that's not a lot of subscribers, but what does it matter? It's a lot to me, and I'm grateful.
Thank you again to all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers, and I appreciate you so much. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. If you're still wondering, should I click this subscribe button? You should.
Okay, now back to your regular programming.
Third place on my recommendation list for minimalistic home decor shopping, you guys, there's no way I can mention minimalistic, affordable home decor without mentioning IKEA. I love IKEA. I mean, like, Amazon, IKEA are literally my top favorite places to shop when it comes to minimalistic home decor and at affordable price. If you haven't already seen my living room home decor, makeover video. You should definitely go check that out, because practically my whole living room is made up of IKEA items. And the only thing I can say about IKEA when it comes to some of their items is so popular, so you can find yourself going from house to house to house and pointing out the IKEA items. That's the only thing that sucks. But if you're wise and you're smart and you give yourself a little bit of DIY projects to do, you can tweak or revamp those items to make it look unique to your home and unique to your space. So that way when people come in your house, they're not like, oh, that's IKEA, that's IKEA, that's IKEA. Nah, we don't want that. We want uniqueness at affordable cost, and that is going to be aesthetically pleasing for us. And IKEA is definitely that place. Great thing about IKEA is that, which is also a thing that a lot of people don't like, is that everything is sold by pieces. So you want a full sectional couch, you got to buy each piece separately. If you want a armoire, you might have to buy all the pieces, and I'm okay with that, because sometimes I probably just want one piece of the sofa and not the whole sofa, which in turn saves you a lot of money. That's where the budget come in handy. So for one person, they can hate IKEA because all the pieces are individually priced, but in the second hand, someone who's looking to save money and doesn't need a full furnished set can save money. And not only that, IKEA's clearance section is amazing. I mean, like, that's probably the best place to shop for home decor that has the best clearance section, in my opinion. But yeah, I love IKEA. Super great option for any kind of home decor, not just minimalistic home decor, but if you're looking to save money on a budget, definitely check out IKEA. And again, if you have not seen my home decor for my living room, you should definitely check that out, and to give you some inspiration on some of the minimalistic items I've been able to pick up from IKEA at a very, 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 very affordable cost. The fourth place I recommend is Ross, and minimalistic pieces are definitely at Ross, and they're affordable. I love Ross. Ross is always one of those places that I check out for not only clothes at affordable cost, but also for home decor. The only downside is that not all the pieces are of great quality, but sometimes you'll find some really good pieces that are very durable at affordable cost, and sometimes you find those exact same items that you saw at HomeGoods would be at Ross. So if there's something you see at HomeGoods that you really love, before you purchase it, check Ross to see if they have the exact same item, because sometimes that happen and they're slightly cheaper at Ross than if you were to get it at HomeGoods. So I always make sure I check the two to make sure that I'm not spending more than I need to. But Ross is definitely a great place for home decor and some minimalistic pieces. The only downside, obviously, with Ross is that they're not really a big home decor store. So once you go in there, the options are very limited. So don't have your hopes up when you go to Ross to find exactly what you want. It's just kind of like checking for like small pieces or just passing through in hopes that something catches your eye. But you can't just say, oh, okay, I'm going to go to Ross and I'm going to pick up a couch. One day they might have a couch. One day they might just have a headboard. One day they might just have picture frames. You never know what you're going to find at Ross. So that's the thing. It's not consistent, and it's not consistent from store to store. Number 5, Wayfair. They have so much stock of home decor and items you can purchase at all costs at different budgets, high end, low end, middle. You will find it at Wayfair, and you're almost always assured that you're going to find something you want. Of course, the downside is it's not like Amazon where you could get 1 or 2 day shipping and get it like this. So usually before I go to Wayfair, I'm usually praying that Amazon has it already. But if not, Wayfair is a great place to go shopping. And number 6 is Overstock. Overstock is another great place that you can go shopping for affordable pieces to place in your house for home decor and minimalistic pieces, or any kind of home decor altogether at an affordable cost. It can be equivalent to about Home Goods, but the virtual version, in the sense that you can find some really high-end pieces at a lower cost than what you would have got in it originally if you were to buy them from the manufacturer. So yes, it does save you quite a bit of money if you have a budget for something more expensive, but you don't want to spend the full price of the item. Overstock has a great selection of home decor, minimalistic pieces, some great clean line furniture. Love, 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 love. I mean, definitely find it, but again, just like Wayfair, it doesn't compare to Amazon in the sense that the fast shipping, that's a big deal. Now I know that there's some places I did not mention and probably slipped my mind. If there's any places that you could think of that could do some home decor shopping for minimalistic items, or just home decor altogether at an affordable cost that I have not mentioned, be sure to place that in the comments. I'm sure someone else will appreciate it, and let alone the items, the locations you mentioned might actually be in someone else's area. Some of the places that I've mentioned might not be in your neighborhood or in your city or in your town, other than the online options that I have given. And again, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, sharing, and we've reached 600 subscribers. Yes. And we're climbing, we're going higher, we're going higher, we're going higher.